Schlage electronic locks can fail due to several reasons. The most common are low batteries, connectivity problems, especially with Wi-Fi, mechanical issues like bolt misalignment, or software glitches. Recent firmware updates are meant to solve most software issues. A major recall in mid-2025 affected 50,000 units of the encode line due to a faulty keypad sensor that caused intermittent locking failures. Low batteries are the #1 culprit behind Schlage lock problems. Start by replacing all 4 AA batteries with fresh ones that provide at least 1.5 volts per cell. Rechargeable options like Eneloop batteries offer longer life and better reliability. The lock's LED indicator shows battery status with green for good and red for low. Ensure the batteries are correctly installed in the right orientation. Cold weather can drain batteries faster, so check them especially in winter. If replacing the batteries solves the problem, you're done, and your lock should work properly. If new batteries don't resolve the issue, perform a basic reset. First, remove all batteries from the lock. Wait exactly 30 seconds. Then reinsert all batteries. Finally, hold the Schlage button for 5 to 7 seconds until you hear a beep. This process clears temporary glitches like stuck codes or app disconnects, but will not erase any saved codes. If the basic reset doesn't work, a factory reset is necessary. Access the lock's menu via the keypad by pressing 7R7 then follow the prompts to erase all settings. Note that this will delete all codes and settings, returning the lock to its original state. You will need to reprogram it afterward. Mechanical issues often stem from misalignment. Check the alignment of the bolt and strike plate on the door frame. Misalignment can prevent the lock from engaging properly. Next, ensure the bolt moves freely without obstruction. A mechanical jam, which may show as error code E2, can prevent proper locking. Inspect the keypad for debris or moisture that could hinder responsiveness. Clean the keypad surface and ensure no obstructions block the buttons. Regular cleaning of mechanical components prevents many issues. Focus on the latch assembly and spindle as shown in the doorknob breakdown. Address mechanical issues promptly to maintain lock reliability. For Schlage smart locks like Encode or Connect models, connectivity issues often stem from outdated apps or poor Wi-Fi connections. Start by updating the Schlage app on your device to the latest version. Next, connect your lock to your home Wi-Fi network, preferring 2.4 GHz frequency for better stability. Use the app's built-in diagnostic tool to run self-tests and check for error codes. Common error codes include E1 for low battery, E2 for mechanical jams, E3 for incorrect codes, and E4 for network connectivity problems. Finally, verify that your home Wi-Fi network is working properly before troubleshooting further. Error codes on your Schlage lock provide valuable clues to diagnose issues. E1 indicates a low battery, which is the most common problem. Check the battery indicator and replace all 4 batteries simultaneously. E2 suggests a mechanical jam, often caused by misalignment or debris. Clear any obstructions and ensure proper bolt alignment. E3 means an incorrect code was entered, so verify your access code and try again. E4 signals a network connectivity issue, particularly for smart models. Check your Wi-Fi connection and update the Schlage app. Refer to your Schlage manual or website for a complete list of error codes and their solutions. Most issues are user-fixable with simple resets and battery checks. Proactive maintenance like regular cleaning and firmware updates can reduce Schlage lock issues by up to 40%. Future trends include the Matter protocol for seamless compatibility across devices and a shift to built-in lithium-ion batteries that extend life and enable remote diagnostics. In June 2025, a nationwide recall of the Schlage Encode Plus occurred after users reported lock failures following power outages.